good spot. Put down the SATCOM. So. Position, if I can find it.
We can get closer.
Yeah.
That one over there.
It's 1,000. I can do that. It's not bad.
You probably get better off going 800 odd.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, the crunching of grass while I'm stepping in snow. It also leaves footprints. They can track us down.
That's a good question. Where?
Winters. I just saw them. They were wearing like
Oh, okay, that's fine.
green and white. I think only a couple. Their white is very bright. Oh, and I didn't even.
Mm.
You know, the camera net on my gun.
Oh my god, look at our little fucking footprints.
Yeah, that's what I said.
It's so creepy.
They
It's so
can track
cute.
us.
Yeah, probably not the best thing, but...
Rick, you copy?
Yeah, son.
Where you at?
We're just moving into OP Alpha now.
I left our vehicle 100 meters behind
Oh,
us.
you went? Okay.
Behind a couple rocks.
Just-
Got it, boss.
What does OP stand for? Besides overpowered. You know, this is a good spot, but we're gonna skyline like crazy.
Yeah, well, you can use the edge. Like here is good.
Yeah.
Right next to the rock.
As my knee is broken as well.
But then again, there is another one that's closer that looks pretty good as well.
Yeah, they're wearing white. I see LMGs, rocket launchers. There's a couple in the tower. There's 4 in the one door of the house.
Count it up.
I think he just randomly garrisoned them.
What are we? We're 906.
There's a bunker.
Where's that? What's that hill next to us? If you look on the map, this one here.
That one.
It's 1171.
That's probably
There.
that one. Yeah, it's that one.
Yeah, would it be
You can
worth
shift
getting
click
that
it.
close?
I don't know. This seems like a pretty good spot. So.
What's the Kestrel saying? Oh, it's heavy wind though, that's the problem.
Yeah, but it's forward.
It sort of is. For me it says it's just pushing north.
Yeah.
It's just because I don't want to set up everything and then not do it. Right, let me just count them up. 3, 4, 5,
Mitchell,
6,
most of them have ACRs.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh,
11,
fun.
13, 14, 15, 16.
This objective we're at now, quick. Form a best assault plan for us. We'll be assaulting as 2 teams.
Okay, there's also a wide
about 20.
man patrol.
There's about 20 altogether. They've got a few bunkers set down with LMGs.
Grab hold pumps for a second.
We can ask him if he wants us to move closer or not. Okay.
Don't see why not.
We can start marking if you want.
Should we move closer?
I'm comfortable shooting from here, but if you're not.
Might be easier. Just make it easier. And then we got a valley for cover.
Yeah. In case we need to run away.
Mm-hmm.
At least we'll see him coming.
Yeah, hopefully.
If you step in each other's footprints, it looks like one person.
Check.
Good check.
I want everybody pulled back off the hill really quick.
I'm gonna move down by these rocks.
Yeah, I'm just changing my scope. Let me just.
There's also another man patrol.
Yeah, updating the map. That 3-man patrol is not a 4-man patrol.
See, we're looking at intel 2. We're looking at... we can start marking. There's like... I think I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that one yellow building.
I've said about 20.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start marking just basic things. If I actually no, I can't because I can't even tell what building is what on the map.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Yeah, but it's like
Yeah, we got
they're
you.
not even on the map for me. I see 2 boxes.
Any
Yeah,
sort of formation
there
or
is
skull?
4. They're just in awkward positions. Oh, Mark.
I see 4 in the tower. One has a 50 cal. Okay. I'm looking for any other marksmen hills.
Death Rage, I want you to hit that deck on the right side, northeast.
Alright, jig is up. They're alerted.
Never mind. You're free to engage, by the way.
4-man patrol to our direct 12.
That 2-man patrol is... I can't see the range on that.
The armored Vic is moving towards us.
190.
Oh, shit. Have you seen that 4-man walking
And
towards us?
if you can hit
Yeah,
that, go ahead,
there's
Death.
also that 2-man right there.
It's got a turret.
Death, bearing
Death,
0,
hit.
it's head for this.
Short. Ooh, it's
Reload, hit it
barreling
again.
towards us. Everyone get in cover.
They're only 300 meters. I don't think because I can't range past it. Besides on
Good
this
hit.
one
Yeah,
but
side.
no, not down.
Disable, disable.
Dismounts.
There we go.
Woo! Keep moving, boys.
Good kill.
If you need medical, stop, get medical, and keep moving.
Contact.
That
We
2-man
got
is moving,
we
so
got
they're
a
towards
2-man
us.
patrol to our bearing 318 to our left. Out in the
So there's a 2-man
Drop it.
300 away.
Yeah,
And
on
then
a
the
4-man, like
4-man's 5, 5.5.
Oh, wait, vehicle behind us, 213, 213. Thomas is down.
I see a
Somebody
lap
medical
now.
and Thomas.
Oh my
I'm
god.
coming, Kyle.
We got
Do you see that
we got
laptop in
infantry
that
coming out of
yellow
the
building?
compound.
So
Never mind, Kyle. I'm keeping
So,
myself.
the far one.
I need someone to cover me right now.
just doing them now.
I can see it through the door.
I come over and dig a trench.
Yeah, I've got them.
Copy.
There's another 2-man 1,000 meters away, just past the village.
Yeah, saw that. God, those smoke pillows are beautiful.
Just a reminder, we need to keep moving forward before the Air Force starts making contact with us.
Yep. Get your ruins basic, and then we're moving. We can get to this wall, then we can met up. I don't want to be out in this field is like this long.
What's happening with the smoke? It's not covering as much as it used to.
I don't know.
It's pretty
Just
windy
keep
out
pushing.
today.
There's a computer.
Virgil, Medical, and Tommy,
No one.
build a trench or something. Have somebody build a trench.
Moving up to him.
The guys in the towers, 'cause those are the people I'm gonna take out first.
If you're not doing medical, I need you up here.
650.
Adenosine is used to slow the heart rate, right?
Yeah, 650 bang on.
Because I'm gonna take out that marksman first once they come here.
Is 2.
believe so.
The other one's got a fucking M107.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So one has like a regular marksman rifle?
Yeah, he's the closest one to us.
Yeah, one has the... Yeah, I was talking about the barrel.
Where's these patrols?
Hey,
They're getting closer.
hey, this guy's wearing different camo from the rest. He's over bearing 3-4.
Hit
I'll
the
be matched. Where you
objectives.
guys are? Jeez.
Just because we're
We just kept
He's down.
pushing. We're pretty close to the contact.
Alright, we're gonna start catching up. If you want to try and hold your line, actually give us some time.
Yep, if you're up here with me, hold the line. We're waiting for them. Just suppress that shit.
Yo, keep your heads down because they're really aggressive.
I'm gonna bound with Scepter.
The 2 men are cutting across. So
I'm lagging because the...
Yeah, just go full send.
Hmm.
Oh, I see him. Okay.
Mitchell, we're moving up with you.
Solid.
And the 2 men are turning around. Yeah, 2 men have got back to us.
Where's that far two man? I don't see him anywhere.
What's that in there, Mitchell?
Definitely on that.
Hey, I need medical. Help is down.
I'm a good but back. I'm treating myself. I don't know how close Kappa is though. I'm on my way. Whereabouts are you,
Hey,
Mitchell?
I need you guys up here at this wall now.
I'm running as fast as I can, but Del Anders need to watch their fire, 'cause it might be them shooting me.
They're not. They're engaging the people in the compound.
Yeah, it's about as much intel as I can get.
Yeah,
I mean, we can put more, like, how many people are where, but I
yeah,
mean...
we can put patrol lines and whatnot, but there's not really a point, because once we attack, they're gonna go off course, so...
Right, you can put it down if you want. Just in the sectors in a way.
I mean, like, I can put, like, here. This basically is a control path. And, like, something like this. I think.
Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Wind just turned off.
Yep, it did. Shift K.
Nice.
Okay. Well, easy sniping. Overcast is back. Is he trying
Oh,
to fix
God.
the snow, maybe? Like, would those be good patrol paths, do you think?
Thomas, how's LB doing?
Be back up.
I'm up.
Sick, already. Once you're up, move to the rear compound, the south side that there was the opening. We're along the front side.
I'm entering the compound with Deathridge.
How many did you tell? We said 4.
Yeah, that I see. Oh, you also put a 2-man, 4-man patrol.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was writing that as you did it. In the actual tower.
Clear.
I got intel in here.
That's really all we can do.
I'm just labeling up the things.
Alright, time to get the fuck out of here.
Now let's build a campfire and relax. Okay, I'm gonna set up my tripod.
Oh, you have any intel in that building?
Negative, there was no intel in it. Nothing.
Solid. I have one picture.
If that's not enough labeling, I don't know what is.
My bipod's in a good place. If I need a secondary position, I might.
Anybody have demo?
Okay, SATCOM's down, there's nothing else. Oh, stand back.
I got eyes on a patrol
Not for
running
me,
away.
sir.
If you
Take him
want it,
You're so kind.
that's not a good
Come out.
position. Maybe
Be
back it
last.
up a little.
Oh, I got a patrol.
Yep, that's... horrendous.
Is it bad? Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't do anything. I need like 2 trench on.
Hold on. I got 3, so.
Graf, are you still alive?
Yes. We're on Overwatch though, so don't ask for medical. Yeah, 2 will do it.
That was awful.
Oh.
Alright, I want some security on this. I don't want everybody at the front gate. Find somewhere to hold while we wait for Ander.
Just
We're
building
gonna
a
demo these Vics.
sandcastle.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, unless if
Yeah.
you got demo, I'd suggest you get away from those vehicles.
Can you even not
Make sure everybody's
crouch?
clear.
Try and crouch.
We'll blow up on our way out. Don't worry about it
I
now.
can't do it.
Try and crouch.
Let Enderp know to
No.
come around the front so they don't run into these vehicles that are about to get blown up.
I'm on something.
Okay. Okay, that works.
Oh,
Shot.
right.
The entrance.
That works.
Oh dear.
I can place another one.
Enemy infantry bearing 110.
I look like they're going through a hard time.
Yeah.
I'm glad I went Overwatch.
Come on.
2 men.
work.
Just-
LV, I'm gonna set 2 thermites on these rear Vics.
Do you not have a kit?
No, I didn't think I'd need one.
Say again?
I'll be fine. I'll probably just be taking out. I'll take out the
Running
mines and
out
stuff
by 255.
if they get close
Eyes
whenever we
up.
fight.
These now bearing 246.
The only way I can get you somewhere is like here. But then, like, what's the point in a sandbag? Because this has good eyes already.
I mean, I'd probably end up firing off the rock anyway.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna. I'm not firing on the village. There's no point because it's 650 out. I mean, it's in range, but there's no point because I'll just be spotting for you,
Yeah.
and I'll take out these
Metro,
two
I don't
men
mean to
or
rush,
whatever's
but we
coming
need to
in.
start thinking about getting out of here.
You're gonna try and take up patrols while I take up
Everybody
the
clear
tower.
out from the Vic.
Yeah.
Albie's blunt. Clear from the Vic.
And I'll spot for you.
Oh, look, another explosion.
At least they sound like they're having a good time.
Tell
No,
everybody
You
to get
whenever
away
can
he's
from
see
the
it
clear.
from
Vic.
here with your binocs. Look.
Whenever he's clear.
Somebody tell Foster to
Like
get the
you-
fuck out
What?
of there.
You see the smoke? You can see them.
Can't see smoke. Where am I looking?
Your view distance might just be down then.
Back blast area
yeah,
clear.
it is.
Clear. You're clear.
Let me just bump that up.
Yeah, dude, you can see them.
What's it need to be? Oh, fucking hell, what?
Get in the Vex. We're leaving.
Put it up to 2500. What? They're still not far enough.
I think I have mine max, so
Oh, that's probably why. It's a lot. That's.
let me see.
It's 3.4k away.
I have mine at 7,000.
Yeah, I don't.
Since isn't max, but
Let me bump it up again.
oh no, it just went away now that I checked my video settings. I think I have.
No, I still can't see it.
If you do control backslash, try that.
No, I don't have that thing fitted.
Oh,
The
You should.
adjustable view distance.
because then it actually lets you change it. Unlike vanilla, where you basically
Overwatch
doesn't
moving.
work.
Yeah.
No, I'm not too fussed. I don't really pilot or anything, so I don't need to.
I can watch them all die. Honestly, I can probably snipe them.
Bruh.
You guys have a BTR and a gas, right?
We do
Correct.
need.
Okay. Making sure it was you. Jesus Christ, they're so bumpy. It's like they're flying.
Are they driving away?
No, they're coming towards us.
What? From where?
They're like there right now.
Oh, I still can't see it.
They're like,
Mate, the finisher got no scopes, you know.
does the 50 cal not have a scope? Because I see that the marksman rifle does. No, 50 cal has one.
Only the marksman's got a scope.
No, the 50 cal has one. I can see his scope cover.
Oh,
Thing that-
yeah, but I mean, everyone else has not got a scope.
Yeah, you can't put scope
That's horrendous.
on those ACRs. You can't put a scope. Or not ACR, G3s maybe? I don't know, what are they? They look like ACRs.
Ah, the joys of having a thermal scope.
I don't have one. Can't relate.
What? Do you want mine?
No, I don't like using thermal scopes, to be honest.
Bruh.
I don't like it. I like...
Why wouldn't you use a thermal in this place?
First of all, I don't have the space, and second of all, I just don't like thermals.
No.
Imagine not having it on black hot. You're gonna be blind.
Hmm.
Where are they now? You should be able to see them by now. I see a patrol way out there. That's that 2-man.
Oh, I see them.
Their heads are barely popping out of the ground.
Where you looking?
There. The 2-man.
Oh, yeah, I see. Through my thermal scopes. Wouldn't worry about.
Well, I
no,
saw
that's
them
the same.
without
That's
it.
the same two man.
Yeah, I know, it's the same. They have
Holy
a
shit,
really
they're
wide...
beelining.
Yeah, they have a really wide patrol.
Jesus Christ, they're racing.
Oh.
Mitchell,
bad.
where are you setting up?
Sorry, we're coming up behind you, boys.
Yeah, they're at
Oh,
LG
okay.
Alpha.
Oh,
Did you just engage us?
Negative.
No.
That was the tower.
Alright, well, I know we're here. If you guys want to start shooting, start shooting.
Okay, tower first.
Go for it. I'm gonna get the patrols in. Heads up, we've got audio.
The 50 cal just jumped off the tower!
No.
Hey, Overwatch, just drop everybody you see and let me know when you're done.
Oh, goody.
That way we don't get caught out in the open on foot.
Bruh, I've lost the fucking 2-man.
Hey, I got audio contact plane. I got a plane or a helicopter, boys.
Shelly, I think it's ambient. Oh, fuck this rock.
Oh.
Hey, be advised, I'm seeing patrols around the area.
Yeah, they're marked on map.
Oh, cool.
Behind us.
And you're engaging friendly!
You're engaging friendly, stop firing!
Stay friendly.
Holy shit!
What is wrong with him?
It was fought.
You good?
Yeah, just my arms.
I got you.
Foster says he's sorry.
It's called PID.
Pack you
Are you
know.
guys good up there?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're fine.
besides getting 762 torn through both my arms.
Oh my god. Right, you're good.
Vehicle.
Vehicle coming towards you, us,
It's armed,
everyone.
Armed and armored.
Are you sure it's not friendly?
It's not.
BTR?
Fuck's it. It's not, it's white.
Okay, where is it?
Right
Yes,
next to
sir,
our
sir.
position. I can't.
Solid,
I
I'm
can't
sending
see
guys
it.
over.
I've lost eyes. It's behind our hill.
313,
it's marked on
313,
that.
barely
Death,
towards us.
Death, I need you. Death Rage, I need you. Death Rage over here. Northwest of the hill.
That's 2 man.
West of the
Death Rage, I need you to hit this Vic. Northwest.
Then the Hucat, I have my sight on it, but I have a terrible scope.
fire
How's that
again.
high?
Overwatch, get your heads down.
Oh, missed.
Vic's down. Free fire, boys. If you see any targets, free fire.
I think so people in the camp are moving around now.
That patrol.
Goes.
Yeah.
Your name at the main camp and I'll take out the patrols.
Okay, I think there's only like 2 people left up.
Yeah.
What are they shooting?
What range is that? It's 1,000. They're going to a little
Edge.
shedded area.
Dude, I'm pretty sure I've dropped basically everyone.
Mm-hmm. There's one guy healing.
Is that one guy?
He's dead.
No.
His buddy's running now.
We have contacts moving east.
He's on.
Another one. East. There's no one in the tower, by the way.
Okay.
Mitchell, it looks like our approach is clear to that compound. You want to go ahead and
So,
start
wait,
moving?
hold. There's guys northeast. Northeast.
Hey, firm, I see him.
Aren't those guys dead? They're ready to do one final check and we might.
I'll go ahead and get the gas up and hot.
Yeah, get the gas close, get ready to run, keep the engine on.
He's looking at binoculars. I don't know if he's sending us for like an airstrike or something.
They're just
Yeah,
binoculars.
keep eyes on that motor pool.
They were just binoculars.
Yeah, Overwatch, you have eyes on that, yeah?
Go straight out, straight out, straight out. My mortars. Would
Get
be
off the hill now.
very appreciative of you if you would run in there. Pick up your stuff and move.
Is everybody good to go in my group?
Yep.
Mortars inbound again. Just get off this hill.
Incoming.
Get off the hill, get off the hill, get off the hill!
We're leaving.
That's not our hill. That's them.
Engineer up.
There's fragments, dude.
So we're gonna go
Overwatch,
get
you guys
the gas and go back with them.
Yeah. We're going back for our guys.
Yeah,
We'll get
if
joined
you
up
guys
with you in a
move
minute.
south, we're gonna rethink this, even though the air might come.
Yeah, I'm repairing the gas
Wait,
right
mark
now.
where the laptop is, if it is a laptop.
Mitchell, I'm halfway repairing the gas. We can start
So
moving
let
out
me
of
know
here
when that's
because they
good,
got
'cause
it
we're gonna
zeroed in.
regroup.
Be advised, mortars coming in again.
Hit the deck!
Incoming. Gas just...
Like armored or it hooked on?
Gas is gone. Gas is dead.
How?
Hey, levitating
I don't know.
on a barrel road.
I'm hurt.
That doesn't look fun.
No, it does not. Good thing about Overwatch is you most likely won't die.
Well, I don't know, those mortars were pretty close.
I know, they were right in front of us.
Oh, I thought, fuck.
God.
But I was quite surprised that they knew where we were.
Yeah.
I understand how that was figured out, but I mean,
Probably
oh well.
because they shot at us. And they're like,
Yeah, true.
hey, we don't have snipers up there.
Firing at them, and it's like, what?
You guys still up?
Yeah, we're all. We had what, 1 KI, I think?
Contact bearing 025, single
Can you guys
guy.
get Overwatch? Can you get to the regroup point I marked on map?
Do what? Sorry?
Regroup
Move
point.
to the regroup point. I have marked this up.
I'll drive. Actually, hold on. No, 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 no. Dang it.
BTR is good.
Please, hold on. Please tell me. Lost my M4. Looks like I'm just sniping now.
Everybody get inside the BTR, we're moving.
incoming.
Everybody get in, we're leaving! Now, 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 now!
Oh my god. Let's put some entrenchments up.
Yeah. Dude, I lost my M4 because I got in the car with it on my chest.
Oof.
Uh,
I'm digging a big one.
yeah, giants.
Yeah, virtual Overwatch is at regroup point. We're just entrenching, ready for when you guys get back. Please don't shoot us this time.
Try not to.
You guys still have your BTR?
Yeah. We're moving to you guys now.
Then one of us will send.
Can you guys make sure that area's secure? We're sending it for reinserts.
What's the plan?
You guys got a dead one on your vehicle.
Shooting at you.
Let him die.
I don't
My
accept.
defense, I was
don't
told you were
accept.
enemy.
I had two 7.62 rounds put into
Why
both
is
of
his
my
heart rate
arms.
dropping?
Hi.
Right, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up.
Huh?
Wake
There
up,
you
you
go.
bitch!
Guess what
Stop
happened if
shit
I
to do, you don't wake up.
Where did he go?
Holy shit.
Where did
one moment.
Mitchell go?
Tommy.
Oh, he's here.
Yes.
Everyone, get me
Yeah,
space. Get me.
Work on
get me
him.
space.
Foster, come here.
I'm giving him CPR.
Yeah, Tommy, help him
Everyone,
out.
get me
They did.
some
Liam,
space,
they already
man.
got 3 medics on them. It's fine. Foster. Everybody but Tommy, come here. Get away from the down person. Liam.
42.
So, just making sure his
Keep
heart rate
giving
is
him
going up.
CPR.
I'm gonna give him another FA.
Hi. Can
I
full
hold
security?
wait.
Foster, watch that direction.
Alright, I cancelled my
Liam.
FA.
That direction.
Cancel speed.
Earl's that direction.
I'm checking his pulse. He's got 41. It's been that for ages.
No, 41 is mean like because he's doing CPR, so it's 41. Okay, check again. Check again. No one touched anything. First.
Pulse is 40.
40. We
Give
need,
him nappy.
yeah, epi and
If your radio
CPR.
doesn't work, by the way, drop it and pick it back up.
No,
You
you
think
don't
no
need
heart rate?
CPR
Okay,
because he already has a.
He's just completely lost his heart rate. I'll be getting
Alright.
CPR again.
Alright, I'm back on CPR.
Trying to give him another epi.
There's no use giving him an epi if he doesn't have heart rate.
The heart rate is not there. Alright, heart rate of 31.
Wait, I'm sorry, Andrew, but
Yeah.
I thought I
Sorry.
spawned with a radio because I spawned just now, and for some reason I don't have a radio.
That's fine,
I
T-Far, really
have
do be
no
buggy
idea.
like that. Let me look. I can find you a spare.
Can I
do
get
have
like
one, but it's fine if you don't. Stay near us.
It went
Can I go grab water really quick?
What's wrong with him? It's going back down.
Fine.
Did he get over
Take
medicated?
Maybe
like
help me
30
take
seconds
this.
to grab water.
Yeah.
The only thing he's been given is 2 epis.
Are you
Trying to figure out how to do it.
No,
Sorry.
like over at 12, a bunch of fucking morphine. He's drugged, dude.
Yeah, he's I haven't
Yeah,
gave
Mitchell's
I haven't
overdosed.
gave him any morphine.
No, somebody named Thomas gave him morphine earlier.
Alvy.
No, that shouldn't be that bad.
Alvy,
What?
have you still got your drone?
No, I lost it in the crash.
Do you reckon
Okay.
armor would work if I
I can get the drone out of
Helicopter.
Mitchell has a NATO drone.
Oh, no.
Never mind, it won't work.
Oh, he's died. Die, get a fuck.
Can someone get eyes on the
He probably
helicopter?
respawned.
Is it ambient or what?
What he don't walk?
Yeah, no, he definitely respawned. He had a heart rate. He shouldn't have died there.
Yeah, he respawned. It's fun.
Heli northeast looks like it's slowing up for a landing.
Hi, friends.
Hi.
Yeah, I got you. Oh, we gotta get. I like you.
Mitchell, you had a NATO drone in your backpack.
Yep, I still got one.
That's a NATO drone. I can't use that.
Oh, yeah, fuck. I forgot we're not NATO. Yeah, I made this kit like forever.
What is the spare bear?
It's when your barrel overheats and you could change it so you won't jam as often.
I'm thinking
For
give him
every gun. You can-
Mainly
You
for
said those
machine
guys-
guns.
but
That
it
was a
can be
transport
used for
chopper or
every gun.
attack helicopter?
Oh, that's odd.
So I couldn't tell you.
I'd like to see somebody change an AR
Okay.
barrel on the fly.
And I want you, me, and the recon
Can most
guys.
soldiers not strip and rebuild and
Griff,
gun on
AJ, I need you.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright,
I lost
everybody
my
sit here. Just get ready for borders or something, I don't know. We're going to see what we're doing. I want you guys on me. Let's go.
Look out for spotters. If they have spotters, then
Where do you
the borders are going to come soon.
Yeah, Mitchell, I lost my M4.
Do what?
I lost my M4.
I can't hear you.
He lost his
Oh, that's nice.
fucking Foster, man.
Dude, that friendly fire actually
Mitch?
made me mad.
Go to the first OP Alpha.
Like, you have good options. He knows what's going on up there. The enemy.
It's just
Nah,
PID. It's...
As we were firing at them, I was like, wait, are you guys like a recon team? Maybe that's them. And then you just start screaming at me to hold fire, and I'm just like, fuck.
Legit, we had it marked.
I made the mistake of trusting my guy who's got a 50 cal. Why didn't we just drive into that place?
I dropped pretty much.
We were going to, then mortars happened, and friendly fire happened.
I dropped pretty much everybody in
Friendly
the
fire
AO,
was after that.
besides like 2 people inside buildings. But if you see that,
no, it wasn't. Never mind.
We got a recon group.
You see that rightmost.
Hey Mitchell, what's our call sign?
We're 1-1.
You see that
Dude, literally
rightmost
everyone in that
yellow
compound
building?
looks dead.
That's where the laptop is.
Oh, never mind.
It's marked on map.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
You whispering?
I can't hear anything.
Yes. I think so.
Hey, Mitchell.
Yeah.
Foster has informed me that somebody is looking at him.
From where?
Either it's a spotter or he's autistic.
Where is?
Go see what it's about.
Foster, can you give me a bearing on
Stay here, AJ.
watching you, please?
Okay, what do you guys, Griff and AJ, what do you think is the best way to approach this? Do you think we should split up or stay as one big group?
One big group.
Yeah.
But do you know what I would say? I'd say come from the north.
From the north?
Because look
Well,
look at where
there's
what
a vehicle depot over there.
Dude, Mitchell.
Oh no.
Foster is warning me about spotters watching us. He's referring to us.
Oh wow.
Blows the fuck out of me, dude. Help.
So I would probably say east northeast. If you move back around, there's no bunkers as such, and it's probably better for viewing if that makes sense. But then I mean, me and Ghost can easily for because that was a really good position.
I literally.
Or do you want us to do that now,
That's a
and then
jet
we'll
right there.
inform you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'd like to go back to where our guys
Enter.
was and look for my M4.
I think it was just left of here, wasn't it?
It's just forward, yeah. It's 2 hills.
Heads up, audio jet.
That big
Jet,
Boeing.
down,
that's
down,
a Boeing.
Boeing.
It's a Boeing, sorry.
Never mind.
Drop.
I was like, fuck, that sounds like a jet.
It
And then
was
I
a
looked up
jet.
and saw it, and
It
I
was a
like,
Boeing.
fuck.
It's
It
huge.
was huge.
I guess that must be with the Swedish thing, because I don't remember seeing one of those. Hold on. I see a 4-man patrol. Mitchell, there's a 4-man patrol, like, south of the objective.
Got it.
They're probably going west to east. That's 2 audible jets, 2 visual jets.
That's a fast mover. 2 fast movers. East and west.
Those are Swedish, right?
Hey,
And they looked like typhoon thingies.
Yeah, they look like griffins.
Mitchell, we need to go now.
Yeah, no,
Feel
they're
the
gonna
other end
die
of
if they take the...
We can think about that while we're leaving. Those guys are gonna turn around and bomb us.
Recon, I need you guys back here now.
Back?
We could just drive to them.
We just had a show of force done above us.
Overwatch, disregard, stay there. We're bomb rushing.
Oh my god, what
Everybody get in a Vic. We're bomb rushing.
Scepter's AFK right now.
Alright, Scepter can suck it.
That's somebody's
Oh my
dead
God.
body. I thought it was a spotter.
Oh god. We really need to get rid of that 4-man before we bum rush.
Yeah.
Mitch, can you at least give us a little time to get rid of that 4-man before you bum rush?
foreman's like
Yeah,
going
we're waiting.
down with the
We're
road.
still.
I'm pretty sure that 4-man's going down the road.
Oh my god, wait.
Oh my.
There. How many's that?
8. 9. Or is it 8? It's 8. We'll just keep it as 9. So one going south, one going north.
You guys are free to engage all targets. We're just.
They're to your right if you
finishing.
cross that hill in the BTR. You're gonna run right into them.
You've literally just passing them on. They're on you right now.
You talking the BTR or the gas?
BTR.
Alright, well, we're on the BTR.
They're idiots since they just passed them.
Jets are coming back over. Coming north, south.
One infantryman has AT, trying to take him out now. How many bullets does he take? God. AT's down. They're in AO, so let's watch our shots. But I'm pretty sure I just saw someone fall out of the tower.
I think we should just go up to.
We got armored Vic coming in.
Death Ridge, get on that.
341.
Should we? Because I can't do.
Death Ridge is out of rockets.
I've got.
Oh my god.
Make it count.
There should be
Those
a
buildings are-
rocket in the BTR.
Good hit. There's got to be another bit coming in. Get ready for that.
You wanna
I've
move
got a
forward?
disposable.
I think we need to go up with
Mitchell, there's a computer on me. I don't know if you can get intel from this.
Watch your black
God, how many
flash.
times
Not
do we
clear.
have to say it that we know where the computers?
Make sure to screenshot.
You'll take pictures, wink wink.
No, screenshot and email.
Check
to
all the
yourself.
buildings for pictures and. I couldn't get anything.
Flares going up.
I don't see flares.
I could reuse these mortars.
The mortars go ahead. It looks like you don't have to ask.
Bearing 346. It's by the
Somebody checking the tower.
Yeah, I got intel.
He's got the
Did we
info.
check the tower?
Nope, we're going now.
Alright.
Moving
Going
to
up.
ULB.
Hold on, hold on.
Miss.
Put it in your.
Good hit.
If y'all see any targets, mark them on. Use this.
Mitchell, friendlies are coming in from the southwest.
So we have friendly
600 out.
Tower's clear.
Right side on the hill. Right side on the hill.
Tower's clear. Secure.
Couple of guys in front of you.
One's down.
Trying to block me.
Good guys to move.
Jets.
We just got
Hold
bumped.
hold comes.
No, they fired.
I think I heard missiles.
Yeah, they fired on me.
Alright, boys,
All
get
right.
the Vicks, we're leaving. Get
Guys,
the
just
Vicks, we're
fired
leaving.
up.
We're southwest of you. Oh, that was another bomb.
Mark your guys' position on the map, we're coming to you.
I don't know where we are.
Smoke.
Yep, we'll move you, we're in the gas.
500
I put a
southwest.
red circle over our general location.
It's white smoke, unfortunately.
That's our hill. Do I have?
Just all around it.
Everybody better be in a Vic. Except, fucking Overwatch.
Dude, this thing suck.
What is it? Oh
They're
my
so
god.
thick.
Right, we see your smoker moving.
They're just gonna come through the smoke and smash us.
Yeah, no, I can see it. No, I see them.
Get in, loser. We're going shop.
All in,
There we
go.
go.
Bring back Mango
Andrew, just get back to base. I don't care how you get there.
Oh my good.
I stole an enemy's rifle.
Nice.
Yay.
Free money.
Alright, now I know what we're dealing with. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this terrain.
I like.
This is fun.
Yeah, I like this.
There's so much open
Apart
space.
from the easy tracking.
The open fields are not open
Dude,
because
you
it's kind
leave
of hilly.
footsteps and time
Yeah.
marks. Easy tracking.
A lot better than.
I will
Yeah.
like better from Influsion.
Oh,
Anything's better than
when
that.
you guys were at that first objective and there were like 2 smokestacks, I took a screenshot of that from our position. It looked sick.
Was it cool?
Yeah. I mean, I have to put a
I
filter.
think the fun that it was your death.
Yep, just go.
They're bombing their own
G
compound.
Oh!
It's fine, they
Oh
bombed
man,
our
that's
compound.
hard.
It's not like
They
there's
just
anything
help bomb the compound.
It's not like there's anything there.
Alright, I gotta piss, boys.
Okay, thanks for letting us know.
feel like we're a little too over.
Yeah. But this kind of
It's
campaign
not
would
over
run a
until you
lot
cross
better
the
with a
gate
help with
into
my chopper.
base.
It's not. As Dan says, the campaign isn't over until it stop saying
I
you
like
mission complete and mission failed. But yeah, I feel like this terrain would be so much better
Holy
if we used
shit, Alva, you
helicopters.
mad lad.
Hey man, I've never taken a driver's test, and I have a driver's license.
Wait, what?
Fucking Texas,
How?
man.
No,
How's
it's
it-
not Texas. It's
God damn.
Well, actually, yeah, it is Texas, actually.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
How does that work?
How
Wait,
much-
what?
How full are these tires, dude?
I'll
You just
explain
bounce
to you
it.
later, Kyle. It's really funny how it happened.
Dude, why are we wheeling?
See that? That's me. And you're probably wondering how I got there. Well, let me show you.
I didn't have a
Oh,
driver's
boy.
license.
Urban combat? Okay. Wait, who put this house here in the middle of the fucking road? Oh, this is. Oh. Never mind. We're home.